guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is another day and I have another unboxing for you guys. So I love doing unboxing, as I have mentioned in I think last to last video as well, where I unboxed my vacuum cleaner. So today we have another appliances unboxing, so stay tuned to know what I got and the unboxing of the product. So yeah, right now I just came from the supermarket, got some groceries. So yeah, and also the product just got delivered. I will show it to you guys and get the unboxing started because I'm really excited to check this product out. So yeah, and if you're wondering why my forehead is shiny, because I'm having a migraine and applied some balm. So that's all the update I have for you guys. Let's get going and start the unboxing of the product. For starting the unboxing, I just want to take you through a little tour of my grocery store. So let's do it. I got all this from the grocery store. So I just am trying with the chicken nuggets first, then maybe later some other day I'll try this too. So yeah, the chicken nuggets are cooking right now. The light is off. Yeah, this is the chicken nuggets. I'll show you once it is done.